In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendwave to receive money in Nigeria. By the end, you'll know exactly what to ask your sender to do, how the money arrives, and how to confirm it safely and quickly. First, make sure you have an active Nigerian bank account or a mobile money wallet that accepts deposits. The person sending you funds needs the Sendwave app on their phone, a verified profile, and a payment method set up. If they don't already use it, ask them to download the Sendwave app from their phone's app store and complete the quick onboarding. This step is important because Sendwave only allows transfers from supported countries and payment methods, and verification helps keep transfers secure and compliant. When your sender is ready, they should select Nigeria as the destination and choose whether to send to a bank account or a mobile money wallet. Share the exact details they'll need, the correct bank name, your account number, and your full account name as it appears with your bank. Or for mobile money, the correct wallet provider and phone number linked to that wallet. Encourage them to double check every digit before sending. Mistyped account numbers are the most common cause of delays, so taking an extra moment here saves time later. The app will show the exchange rate and any fees up front, so your sender can see the exact amount you'll receive in Naira before they confirm. Once they press send, transfers are typically delivered instantly. In most cases, you'll see the deposit within minutes. On busy days or if additional checks are needed, it can take a little longer, but it's generally very fast. Keep your phone nearby so you can catch any SMS alerts or notifications from your bank or wallet right away. If your bank uses one-time passwords or extra verification for alerts, never share those codes with anyone. After the sender confirms the transfer, check your balance using your banking app, USSD code, mobile wallet app, or by viewing recent transaction alerts. You should see the credited amount reflected in Naira. If you don't see it after a reasonable wait, say 15 to 30 minutes, ask the sender to review the transaction status inside the Sendwave app. They'll have a receipt or reference number. Keeping that handy helps if you need to contact support. Also confirm that the recipient details were correct and that your account is active and can receive deposits. That's all there is to it. Have the sender use the Sendwave app, provide accurate Nigerian bank or mobile money details, expect near instant delivery, and confirm the deposit on your end.